Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Thank you for jumping back into another jacobcrypobury video. Hope you love the Ethereum t-shirt. It's pretty cool, isn't it? I made this myself. It's a bit crinkly, but yeah, it will do for now. So we're going to look at Reef Finance today, another really cool ecosystem in the altcoin space, and it's one that grew exponentially a long time ago, and it still looks like we're in this undervaluation phase. Of course, it's a low market cap, so very risky, very volatile, but I do have belief that this can grow quite well still in the project. So we can see today crypto fear and greed X is 51, so we got a nice bounce back up from the extreme fear, which did prove yet again to be a really nice key dollar cost averaging opportunity and zone to get back into the crypto. So we can see here as well a bit of on-chain analysis as well of the Bitcoin exchange deposits and withdrawals. We have had a persistent decline in deposits, unique wallet holders, basically, like more new investors, which is a little bit bearish. But if we are leaning towards the end of a bull market, what we don't truly know, then you would expect this anyway, because when we get the next halvening, that's when you're probably going to see that incline again of more fresh faces getting back into it. One thing on the contrast, however, though, on the bullish side, is that there is a consistent withdrawals or hodlers. So that means people are keeping their money, they're not capitulating, they're not liquidating their actual holdings, which is quite nice to also see. Another huge bit of news, guys: eBay could soon permit Bitcoin, Ethereum and altcoin payments. So major e-commerce, eBay could soon make an announcement about cryptocurrency payments. This integration would offer global exposure, and it's going to also allow people with different age demographics and with different interests really to start seeing what crypto can truly do, as opposed to just being a digital storage or commodity. It can also be a utility token in the sense that it can be spent like a real currency. So here we can see Refinance ranked 290, so that is a really low one. It's one of the rare coins I like to do on this channel of this particular low level, because it is very risky, of course. So we're trading at $0.01, 186 million market cap of 24-hour trading volume. We can see we've got that big bounce on the 24-hour time frame, so that's a really nice bounce. It's sort of following Bitcoin and everything else. 12.2% pump today, and we can see here what's happened on the daily. We didn't get, we didn't break through with this head and shoulders pattern. It was invalidated. We got rejected at this resistance level. We saw continuation to the downside. We came all the way down to this 0.008 support level, which was also written in over here on the 22nd of January. So we can see that for Refinance. Very important. So what we need to hopefully do now is, as you can imagine, is we're in a descending triangle, and usually there's about 54% chance that we see continuation to the downside. Now hopefully we can retest this resistance at 0.011. Otherwise we could possibly see another spiral to the downside, retesting this support, where we can once again capitulate even lower. And we're looking at extremely low prices if that does happen, like 0.002. I don't think it's likely when you look at the RSI here and you see the strength of these wicks, the fact they're so slim, just like this one too. That indicates extreme buying pressure, so I don't think it's going to happen. I do think this is going to be a consolidation zone, kind of similar to back in January 2021, before everything went absolutely crazy, because we're now back under those key Fibonacci ranges. We're in the 0.786 zone, which does usually prove to be a nice undervaluation reaccumulation phase for any kind of cryptocurrency in a bull market. One other thing to consider that looks pretty bullish is that we are trying to retest that 20-day moving average. We are quite far away from the bull market support band, but we are getting that crossover on the moving average, convergence, divergence. You see this blue line taken over on that orange is actually a very bullish signal. So we might start to see some movement to the upside over here now, guys, which is going to be very nice. Still for Reef, my long-term target, it's still something extremely bullish. I mean, when you're looking a cycle ahead, we can still easily get a price such as, let's have a little look, well, $0.19 for instance, $0.09 as well. So 9 cents is still a realistic level to come back up to in the next sort of cycle or two, and that's what I'm very keen to see. So big head and shoulders here. Didn't make it, but we have got that descending triangle, and hopefully, just hopefully, we break to the upside, because I want to see the next resistance levels retested. And we're talking about the next swing high is going to be around this level here, guys. So price target for the next few weeks is $0.013. I do think, however, it is possible to break down a little bit lower, but it really depends on what the rest of the market decides to do. So if you're new here, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Big thank you to the 6 patrons here. Like, that's amazing. Thank you for showing the love for the channel, supporting the community. If you want to become a patron, literally price for coffee, you'll receive a one-on-one ebook, premium one-on-one messaging, Discord access, and access to giveaways with a higher entry level. We can see here, this is also the ebook as well, if you want to transform your journey. People so far did love it. So if you want to be a patron, welcome you to do so, but do subscribe to the channel too whilst you're here. See you soon, guys. Take it easy.